So this car came to us today, April 14. The customer had a post getting out of her garage, and we find out here it has a previous repair on the scooter, and that's the difference here when it comes to the price. So most of the people around on this area, most of the auto body shops here, I don't know if they consider auto body shop, but they just fill it with the compound. Look how thick this is. So that's the difference on price. Sometimes when a customer don't pay attention to those details, they just go by the price, and that's what they get. So people just fill with the compound, make the job done incorrectly, and this has happened when you get an incident after poor repair. So now here we're gonna pull this panel out with the spot welder. We're gonna straighten it out, and we're not gonna use compound. We're gonna use fiberglass filler just to fill the imperfections, but I will keep you guys posted on my next video. So we'll show you the step that we're doing on this car, each step, so you guys follow this and understand our process. This is a BMW that just came in. It's a 15 BMW, but only 25,000 miles on it. The car is very solid, besides that side anyway. This is a Primo Body Shop.